Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. We're hand putting this pipe in today. We're in a tight little area here in Two Rivers. The area's really tight. We've got some astroturf here in the backyard, so we're putting this part of the system in by hand. Felix is getting this in by hand today. Other guys are getting the backflow hooked up where the plumber just came out and working with the plumber with that. Getting the controller mounted into the garage, rain sensor up with that. Get this system complete today. For all your lawn sprinkler needs, give us a call back at the office at 410-721-2342. Hit the link below for more information about our TLC custom lawn sprinkler system. We'll talk to you soon.